Ignoring women will always work out in your favor. Listen, most guys think that ignoring her is playing games. It's not. It's about energy. When you detach, you stop chasing, and she will instantly feel that. Especially because you're not seeking validation from her, right? And that makes her want to draw back closer to you. Always works every single time. And you know what's crazy about that? The less you care, the more she starts to. Every single time, I promise you guys. I've been with countless dates, endless women, and every time I was more invested than she was, every single time it always backfired, always worked against me, right? Especially early on when you're younger. But as I grew older, as I got more mature, as I realized women's psychology, as I realized you cannot put all your focus into her validation, to her approval. You need to fall back. Yeah, and that's the crazy part. The less you care, the more she starts to. Can't make this shit up. See, attraction isn't built through words, right? It's built through energy. When you stop texting back fast, when you stop explaining yourself, when you stop overreacting emotionally, you shift from needing her to choosing yourself. That's real power. I'm telling you. Because most men are addicted to her like a fucking drug, dog. They think the more effort that they put in, the more she will value you. But it's the complete opposite. It's the complete opposite. She will value what's rare, right? Not what's always available. Let that sink in. She will value what's rare rather than what's always available every single time. The psychology behind attachment. Here's the truth. When you ignore her, her subconscious mind reads it as a status shift, right? It reads it as suddenly she's the one chasing validation instantly, because now it's like, where do you go? Did I do something wrong? What's going on? He's usually texting me back fast. What's up? Now she's starting to contemplate, right? And the same man she thought she had figured out, now it becomes unpredictable. Right? That's the mystery. That's what reignites that same attraction. I promise you. It will only work if it's real detachment, not manipulation. So you actually have to be okay if she never comes back. As crazy as it sounds, you have to be okay with that. So how to master detachment? I'm going to keep it simple and make it very clear. The goal is not to make her chase, right? The goal is to find peace in your own lane. So focus on your purpose, your body, your bag, your mind, your discipline, all that. Because when your attention becomes your mission, you become the prize. That's when ignoring her is not the strategy, but it's just a byproduct of being focused. Let that sink in. That's when ignoring her is not the strategy, it's the byproduct of being focused. When you are purpose-driven, you are focused, laser-focused on your goals, you're driven, you don't really give a fuck if she stays or if she comes or whatever. She notices that, right? And that instantly makes her more attracted to you. Now she's like, yo, this is what I fell in love with, right? But when you play these games, when you start falling into love, right? When you start being a simp, that's when you lose all that energy. Now the power goes to her. And we see many men today in today's world where they might have had that at first, but once they get attached, they lose all that energy. They lose all that power, and it goes straight to them. That's why you see a lot of men these days, the women wear their pants in a relationship. The women are controlling what they do, what they spend, what they say. Like, it's becoming ridiculous. And especially in today, modern day, women think they have more authority. Women think they are the prize. It's mind-boggling. They are not the prize. They never have been the prize. It's always been a man. The hard part for a woman is always finding a man that will marry them, right? But in today's world, we have to understand we are the prize. You are the prize. Stop letting outside noise distract you, right? They're trying to push this in propaganda in the media that they are the one. They don't do anything. They don't bring no real value. You ever have sex with a woman, you're just like, she was bad as fuck, and after you're just like, man, I'm trying to get the fuck out of here. I've been with so many women that I've realized after I attained them, the next minute I'm done. To the point where I can't even have sex with a woman that I just met, even though she would want to have sex with me on the first day, just because I already know I don't want to see her again. And that's the truth, because we are the prize. Women are not wired like that. When women make love, they are more closer to you. As men, we are kind of, depending on how you value and respect her, obviously, but we kind of push more back. There's a reason. We are the prize. So the next time she pulls back, don't panic, right? Don't double text. Don't try to prove your worth. Just breathe, fall back, and let the silence speak, because the right one won't need convincing, I promise you. She will feel your energy and align with it. So remember, detachment isn't coldness, it's confidence, it's self-control. And that's the psychology behind why ignoring her actually works. I promise you, follow these steps, guys. Never get too invested in. Never. It's Clarity X Motion. If you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you need help one-on-one, if you want to book a call with me, we can talk it out. If you want to join the CXM Academy, where we help with attraction, where we help with confidence, where we help with self-mastery, check out the top link in the description in the pinned comments, and I promise you're going to see the results that you're looking for, right? If you're getting ghosted, if you don't know what to say, if you want to learn how to code approach, everything's going to be handled and taken care of with me and my team. So check out CXM Academy, and I'll see you all until the next one, man.